Welcome to our tutorial about cross-page posting. In our previous tutorial, we used a query string to transfer information and after used a request object to retrieve this information from the query string. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to post to a different page. Let me drag in another button. With the button selected, let's go to the Post Back URL property. This property is basically a version of the Post Back property. Before, when we clicked Submit or Next or something like that, the post back happened to the same page. The post back URL works similarly, except that we're able to post to a different page whose location we specify in the post back URL property. And that means that all of the information retrieved from the text boxes will post to the URL next page ASPX. Let's go to Code View for this page. We're going to comment out some of the code that we wrote previously and type in our new code. lbl1.text equals request.form. Here we'll type in the name of the text box, txt1, toString. Okay, let's right-click and copy this line of code and paste it again below. Right-click and paste. And let's fix this syntax error by inserting a period. We'll also change the pointers in this second line to LBL2 and textbox2. Now we just need to add a couple labels to our page. Let's expand the toolbox and drag them in. Here's the first label, and here's the second label. Let's name the first label LBL1, and the second label we'll call LBL2. Let's remove the default text from the text property field as well. And we're ready to load our page. Let's enter some random text and click the button. Here's the information we typed in the text boxes. It's been retrieved and posted to the page we specified, nextpage.aspx. Now let's learn how to retrieve more information from the first page by using the previous page. Let's go back to our code. We're going to comment out these two lines that we just inserted a few moments ago. Now let's type in some new code. lbl1.text equals previous page. Here are a number of methods that belong to the previous page object. Let's use something like title, toString, lbl2.text equals previous page. And let's retrieve the session ID from the previous page. Session ID.toString. Let's check it out, see how it works. We click the button. Here's the title from the previous page. And here's the session ID. And this concludes our tutorial about cross-page posting.